Welcome back, guys. I want you to use the trending topics to create a viral content just as I've shown you. Make sure you snip the trending topics, snip them out just the same way I did. So you snip them out this way. You use your snipping tool to snip the trending topics out. Then you create a content. Then you make it, you increase the impression with the trending topics you snipped out just the same way I've shown you. So you could see all these things comes to play. So I'm going to just have that, and all you have to do is to use grok to snip them out. It's very important. So all you want to do is to input the what you just snipped. So you're going to input the image and you're going to say the trendy extract the trending topics. Yes, so you're going to extract the trending topics and you're going to have it extracted right now. So you're going to have the trending topics extracted, and these are the trending topics under politics and all that. Just the same way I did it right in this course. I want you to create a topic for yourself. I want you to create a content, then increase the virality with the trending topics, the 30 trending topics. Let me show you some samples I've done. So some of the posts I posted on my page, let me show you. So let me show you how I did that. So I could actually edit some of these posts. Yes, so I could edit this post if I want to. So I could say edit post. So me having to edit this post now, so I could include the trending topics. So let me do that right now. So I want to include trending topics right now. So I'm going to come to explore and I'm going to use X. Yes, so I want to edit that and put the trending topics into this. So I'm going to say trending, and having to say trending, I'm going to reduce this. So I'm going to reduce this so I could cover as many trending topics as I could. So I'm going to just come here. I'm going to start to snip. I'm going to snip this from here to 11. Yes, that is my first snip. And I'm going to go from 12 to, yes, let's go from 12 to 22. So let me go from 12 to 22. So I'm going to go this way to 22. Yes, perfect. And I'm going to go from 23. So I'm going to go from 23 to 30. So let's do that. I'm going to do that right now. So I'll go from 23 to 30. So here we are. So I'm going to use grok. So coming here, I'm going to increase that back, and I would say 100. I'm going to use grok to extract the, yes, trendy topics. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to come to my picture because I snipped that. I'm going to come right here. So I'm going to, in case you snipped and yours is not being saved, you can save automatically yourself. So you could just come right here and you see an icon right here that says save as, which is very important. You can save it to your download, you can save it to any folder, but mine saves automatically because of the operating system I'm using. So yes, let me proceed right there. So I'm going to come back to my profile right here and I'm going to choose the content I snipped. So I'm going to choose that and I'm going to say extract the trending topics. Yes, and put them and separate them with a comma. So let's see what we have. So I'm going to extract the trendy topics with grok, and that is the way to go. So I want you to do the same, create a post, then add this beneath it. So no matter what your post is, so yes, here we are. So I'm going to copy this. Yes, it seems we have a crate here. Crate is trending as well. So let me just come right here and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to use Ctrl V to paste it, and yes, here we are. So I'm going to come this way. So what I want to do is to take away the hashtags. I don't want the hashtags. I've shown you how to remove that, so I'm going to remove all the hashtags. I don't want any hashtag. I'm going to remove them. Yes, I'm going to remove them. So yes, I have all the hashtags removed. Then I could update this. So I just added virality to my content, so it's going to increase the impression, and that's what I just did. I hope to see you in the next lesson, and make sure you do all these tasks and see how it goes for you. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.